Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my affordable summer wash and go routine using products that are $5 each. Yes, $5 each. I'm so mad I didn't try these out early in my journey. They're the African Pride Moisture Miracle Collection, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how they work on my hair. We're going to be doing a full wash day from cleansing to styling. So the first product we're using is the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. So this is like a pre-poo for your hair. It helps minimize the breakage, and it has no parabens, no mineral oils, no petroleums, and no sulfates. Guys, this stuff felt amazing on my hair. And when I tell y'all, I only wash my hair about once a week. Sometimes I go over a week. I get a lot of shedding. And while using this, I noticed, number one, it was way easier to detangle my hair. And number two, I got way less shedding. So I definitely recommend this product. It just felt amazing on my hair. It does have that gooey feeling like aloe vera plants. If you take the gel outside of it, it has that gooey feeling, but it felt amazing on my hair, and I can tell it added a lot of moisture. When I went to shampoo my hair, I noticed that it didn't strip my hair and it left it feeling still moisturized. So I used this all over my hair, and I tried to focus a lot on the scalp as well, but I definitely like this product. I feel like it really helps my wash day. It helped with shedding and it helped with detangling. So now off to the next step. I am using the Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine Shampoo. This is sulfate free and color safe. Another wash and go tip, guys. It's all about what you start with. I love to start with detangled hair. That's how I kind of know my wash and go is going to be bomb and defined. So I went ahead and left my hair in the plaits, and I like this shampoo. It definitely didn't strip my hair. It was very gentle. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair with the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. This is for coils and curls. Main ingredients include shea butter and Moroccan red clay. I like this mask because it didn't leave my hair feeling super hard like some clay masks can feel. It definitely was also moisturizing, but left my strands feeling extremely defined. I end up adding a little bit of heat. I only let the heat down there for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it out. My hair felt so soft after I took this mask off, guys. It was soft, it was light, and I just could not believe that this product cost $5. I was honestly shook. And it also had slip to be a clay mask. It still didn't have my hair feeling tangled or hard. Now I'm going to get into styling, and I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm using the Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm also going to be using the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream, which is a 3-in-1 training system. It helps to define curls, mold and hold shape, and to hydrate and add shine. So I'm super excited to tell you guys about this combination. I've been into big hair lately, so that's why I opted out of using a leave-in cream or the curling cream. I wanted to go with the spray because it's going to be lighter, but it also did give me hydration and shine. I did notice that. So even though it's just a spray, it does provide hydration and shine, and it mixed perfectly with the gel and cream. The gel and cream, guys, gave me so much definition, and it just had my hair looking extremely juicy. So I was definitely shook and impressed with this combination. I really was excited to see a combination that's only $10 work so well on my hair. And if you guys have ever tried these products before, let me know down in the comments how you like them and what is your go-to summer style. Is it a wash and go, a twist out, braid out, or is it a protective style? And for my wash and go method, guys, I am just spraying the leave-in conditioner on my hair first, and then I'm adding the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Cream. I like to do my hair in sections to make sure I get every single piece coated with products, and this just makes sure that I can get the most defined curls. Now, as you guys can see, this is my hair With the products fully applied, my hair is soaking wet, and as you guys can see, there is so much definition, and I am definitely in love with this combination, and I'll definitely be using it again. I've been wearing it in my last photos on Instagram, if you saw, with the big hair. So this is how I've been getting my summer big hair, and now I'm gonna diffuse it with cool air. And I like to use cool air because I feel like every time I use heat, it just adds to the frizz. Now to break the gel cast a little bit, I'm going to go in with the essential oils, which is a blend of castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, also with vitamin E, and this just helps to seal in moisture and add shine. And that is all for this video, guys. This also is day one hair, so it is a bit defined and a little see-through, but let the week go out and it's gonna get bigger. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with everyone looking for some affordable products that actually work. I definitely recommend African Pride. You can find this collection at Walmart. Y'all, shout out to African Pride for this body, volume, and definition on day one hair. I live for big but defined hair, so I am just loving this wash and go combo. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.